WowWee Mip robot. The unboxing and let's play.
First thing first, you're gonna need this. Alright, you're gonna come for the unboxing in a minute, and you may probably need one of these, a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver. Alright, the one of your choice. So today, what we are about to do today, kids?
Unbox the robot.
Which robot is that?
The robot.
Okay, so we're gonna unbox Meep from WowWee. So without further ado, about to get down to business. So yeah, this robot comes with an app which you can download from the App Store or Google Play if you are an Android user. Okay, so bear that in mind. Let's do it. So your favorite time, this is the favorite time, isn't it, kiddos? Yeah. We're about to unbox this. Let's go, let's do it. So ladies and gents, boys and girls, if it's your first time out here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and you know, like the video. Make sure to turn on your notifications so you won't be missing out. All right, so make sure to like the video, subscribe. You like that?
Yeah.
It's better than the other one, right?
Yeah.
The funny one that we had. So guys, let's talk a little bit about what's inside the box. This comes with a trail. All right, I'm gonna put a trail on the side there. The robot itself. Okay, the robot itself. I'm sure we must have we have some manual somewhere. So that's exactly what the robot looks like. Okay. Whoa. No balance. Comes with this, which I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna put it on the side for now. And what's beneath? Nothing. Alright. And it comes with the usual books and guides. Okay, so we're gonna be going through that off camera, obviously, but that's exactly what this comes with. So what's inside the box? You got your robot, the trail, that piece of plastic, and your usual guide. Okay, ladies and gents, boys and girls, I'm gonna be inserting these AAA batteries right at the back of this, all right, of the robot. So let's get down to business. So ladies and gents, boys and girls, we're about to go for the bootings, the first booting of this. Heard that little noise. There you go. Maybe I'm covering his eyes right now. He may not like that. Let's see. So there is a way of getting it to stand still. Let's see. So right now, he's doing his own thing. Trying to avoid obstacles and so on and so forth. So we're going to be showing you a great deal of tips and tricks about this robot. All right. So, what we about to do now?
Having fun with Meep the robot.
Okay, so we're gonna get down to business. All right,
Yes.
let's do it. You ready?
Yes.
Haha. So, guys, Meeps comes with his own apps. Okay, with all the apps, you can still play with it. Have the commands out here. If you wanna switch commands, you have to like so. All right. Okay. So that's how you change your command. All right, that's one way of doing it. It comes with a tray. You know, we're gonna hook this up, lay around, and see what it can do with it. All right, I'll probably make it, you know, lift this up. We'll see if you can carry it, including the Angry Bird. All right, people, you're about to get down to business. Let's do it, man. So it's pretty simple. The app looks like this. You have to pair it to your phone. All right, you have to pair Meep to your phone, like so. Okay, if you are an iOS user, you can download it from the App Store. Android, Google Play Store. It's pretty straightforward. And pair Meep to your phone, and you'll be ready to go when ready to play with it. Just gonna show you quickly how to connect. Okay, this is how you connect to it. All right, so we're about to do what we gotta do. Oopsie. So that's how you make it stand. All right, that's the balance. Just move it back and forth, and that will allow it to balance. So our Meep is pretty much ready. I'm gonna connect it quickly. It's getting connected. All right, now we're ready. You wanna drive for us? Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, make it dance, make it dance, make it spin, make it spin, make it spin. Bring it towards us. Bring it towards us. That's it. Slowly. Bring it to the middle. Take it to the middle. A little bit to the middle. To the middle. Right there. Right over there. To the middle over there. Go over there. Go back, go back, go back, 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 back. Make it go back. Okay, now make it spin. Make it spin. Beautiful. Beautiful. So you can do a whole bunch of things with it. I'm gonna leave all the description on the screen, and I'll leave the link to the website if you want to know more about it. All right, so for right about now, we're just having fun. Okay, nothing more, nothing less, just fun. All right, make it drive it. Oh, oopsie. Now we're gonna play with it without the app. Come on, play with it. No. Make you go forward. It's off camera right now. Okay. So you got a bunch of modes that you can use to interact with these robots. Okay. As I said, I'm gonna leave the links right down below for you to on the screen. Sorry, for you to read. Okay. Baby's on the dancing mode. So you have, I think, 4 to 5 modes with all the apps. You can still have fun with it. So right now it's in the dancing mode. You can make it dance to your own tune, if you please, or the app, the one that comes with it. Okay, I'm gonna show you other tricks, other nifty tricks about Meep. So right about now, I'm gonna have it on mode carry, just by turning the wheel. All right, once you make that yellow, I think it's yellow or orangey. Just have to hook this thing to it, and it should be good to go. All right. All right. So just a second, guys. Just a second. Okay, that's mode carry. So he's ready to carry. Is he ready to carry, Adam?
Yeah.
We're gonna give him to carry.
The Angry Bird.
That's it. So you can see he can carry things, alright? We're gonna be going to the heaviest in a minute to see how that compares. Okay. So it's pretty dope. Yeah. Oh. Don't make it spin, just bring it towards us now. Alright, now we're gonna put Alexa on it and we're gonna see how that compares. Come on, put Alexa on it. Woo! That's heavy. That looks heavy. That looks heavy. But you can see this thing can carry a heavy load. That Alexa is pretty heavy. I can tell you that. If you have one, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Let me see if I can drive it. Wow, this thing moves. Wow, that's superb. Very, very good. Very impressed. You like it?
Yeah.
Look, I can even make it spin. Oh, that's crazy. Wow. So what do you think about it?
Good.
Good? Guys, now what we're going to be doing with Mip, we're going to try to feed him and make it go to certain mode. All right? Angry mode, happy mode. So we were, that's the driving mode. Can mode, okay, dancing mode. We kind of like went over there. You can have a battle if you got other Mips boxing equally. Path, you can draw path which your Mip will follow. So you just draw down your screen, things like that. All right, let's just see. You see right now it's kind of following, but now let's go for can mode. What you need to do is to drag your can to his head and you have some sort of reactions. Alright. He says guilty. Is guilty. Are you guilty? Let's have the one that I found. Grumpy. Let's see. He's like grumpy. Okay, it's pretty grumpy right now. You wanna come and do it? Come. So now I'm gonna try another can. We've done that already. We're gonna go for angry. Let's see how angry he gets. Angry. Alright, so you can do a bunch of things with this, alright? He's sad now. Let's see what sad looks like. That's another one. Dizzy. So when it's dizzy, it spins. Ooh, yeah. Right, you want to lift one up? Let's see if you're going to go to sleep or not. Uh-oh. Oopsie. He went to sleep for real. Oh well. So guys, you got a whole idea. With this, you can have some more fun. Alright. With your Mip. Okay, you got a dancing mode here. And as I said earlier, you can make it swing to your own music. Okay. Alright. You can make it dance to your own music. So yeah, it's very hard to film this thing. All right, I'm telling you now, it's pretty hard to film it. I'm just moving all over the place, but I hope that you guys kind of got what it is about. With the app, you're gonna have loads of fun, and the app also tells you about the battery life. All right, right on top there. Tells you about the battery life, so that's something that is also a good one. Okay, other than that, ladies and gents, boys and girls, thank you very much for watching. This was Mip. Pretty fun to play with. Yes, Is he fun to play with? Can we hear you? We can't hear you.
Yes.
Is he fun to play with?
Yes.
So, is it a thumbs up for Meep or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, like this. Where's the camera? Ooh, the camera is here. Let's show our fingers. Let's show our fingers. Let's thumbs up this. Oh, you want to grab the robot? Grab the robot. So, thumbs up for Meep. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And keep it lit, keep it safe out there. We love you all here. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if it's your first time, and keep it lit and keep it safe. Let's do it.